The sun beat down on the arid plains of Persia, casting long shadows over the ancient land. The year was 550 BC, a time of great upheaval and change. A young man named Cyrus, imbued with ambition and a destiny foretold, prepared to challenge the might of the Median Empire. His resolve was unshakable and his vision clear. Cyrus, king of the Persians, was a descendant of Achaemenids, founder of the Persian line. This lineage gave him a sense of purpose and a claim to greatness. He was a charismatic leader, a skilled warrior, and a shrewd strategist. His ability to inspire and lead was unmatched. Cyrus rallied his Persian forces, calling upon their shared heritage and common goals. They were united by their loyalty to him and inspired by his vision of a powerful and unified Persian state. His dream became their mission. The Medes, complacent in their power, underestimated Cyrus. They did not foresee the storm that was brewing. Their arrogance would prove to be their downfall. The tides of fate were turning. In a decisive battle that shook the foundations of the ancient world, Cyrus triumphed. His victory was swift and absolute. The Median Empire, once thought invincible, crumbled before the might of the Persians. Their reign was over. This victory marked the birth of the Achaemenid Empire, an empire destined to become the largest the world had ever seen. A new era had begun. Cyrus was not content with conquering just the Medes. He envisioned an empire that stretched from the Aegean Sea in the west to the Indus River in the east. With each victory, his legend grew. He led his armies with a blend of strategic brilliance and unwavering resolve. He conquered Lydia, home to the fabulously wealthy King Croesus. He subdued Babylon, a city renowned for its impenetrable walls and advanced civilization. City after city fell to the Persian onslaught. Cyrus's empire expanded at an astonishing rate. Yet Cyrus was not driven solely by a lust for power. He was renowned for his just and merciful rule. He understood that true power lay not just in military might, but also in the loyalty of his subjects. In 539 BC, Cyrus the Great, the founder of the Achaemenid Empire, conquered Babylon, an event of immense historical significance that reshaped the ancient world. He entered the city not as a conqueror but as a liberator, welcomed by the people who saw him as a savior. He freed the Jews from their Babylonian captivity, allowing them to return to Jerusalem and rebuild their temple, a pivotal moment in Jewish history. This act of tolerance and respect for different cultures and religions was unprecedented in the ancient world, setting a new standard for future rulers. It was in the ruins of Babylon that the Cyrus cylinder was discovered, a remarkable artifact that has fascinated historians and scholars alike. This unassuming clay cylinder, inscribed in cuneiform script, is a testament to Cyrus's vision and wisdom, detailing his policies and achievements. It recounts his conquest of Babylon and his subsequent policies of religious tolerance and restoration of local customs, which were revolutionary at the time. The Cyrus cylinder is considered by many to be the world's first charter of human rights, a groundbreaking document in the history of humanity. It predates the Magna Carta by centuries, highlighting the advanced nature of Cyrus's rule and his progressive policies. It stands as a powerful symbol of Cyrus's enlightened rule and his belief in the dignity of all people, a legacy that continues to inspire to this day. To celebrate his victories and solidify his empire, Cyrus chose to establish a new capital city, Persepolis. Located in the heartland of Persia, Persepolis was designed to be a city like no other. It was a city of grandeur, a city of beauty, a city that would showcase the might and majesty of the Persian Empire. Construction began under Cyrus the Great, but was continued and expanded by his successors, Darius I and Xerxes I. Persepolis was a monumental undertaking. Thousands of laborers, artisans, and craftsmen from all corners of the empire toiled for decades to bring Cyrus's vision to life. Persepolis was a city of breathtaking beauty and architectural splendor, a testament to the grandeur of the Achaemenid Empire. The city was built on a vast platform, elevated above the surrounding plains, offering a commanding view of the landscape. Grand staircases, adorned with intricate reliefs, led up to the Gate of All Nations, a monumental entrance that welcomed visitors from across the empire. Here, colossal statues of winged bulls, symbols of protection and power, guarded the entrance. The Apadana, the largest palace in the complex, was a masterpiece of Persian architecture, showcasing the empire's wealth and artistic prowess. Its massive columns, once topped with elaborate capitals, soared towards the sky, creating an awe-inspiring sight. The walls were adorned with colorful glazed bricks depicting scenes of Persian life, from royal ceremonies to everyday activities. These bricks illustrated processions of dignitaries and exotic animals, highlighting the diversity and richness of the empire. Persepolis was not just a city of stone and ceremony. It was a living, breathing metropolis. It was a vibrant hub of cultural exchange where ideas and traditions from different regions mingled. People from all corners of the empire converged in Persepolis, bringing with them their own languages, customs, and beliefs, enriching the cultural tapestry of the city. This cultural convergence enriched Persian society and contributed to the empire's stability, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. The legacy of Persepolis endures, a symbol of the Achaemenid Empire's grandeur and its remarkable ability to bring diverse cultures together. For over 2 centuries, the Achaemenid Empire flourished. Persepolis, the jewel in its crown, stood as a testament to Persian power and ingenuity. But the empire's days of glory were numbered. A new power was rising in the west, Macedonia, led by the ambitious and ruthless Alexander the Great. In 330 BC, Alexander's armies marched on Persepolis. The once mighty Persian Empire, weakened by internal strife and years of lavish spending, could not withstand the Macedonian onslaught. Persepolis, the symbol of Persian might, fell to Alexander. In a final act of destruction symbolic of the fall of the Achaemenid Empire, Alexander ordered Persepolis to be burned to the ground. The flames consumed the city's palaces, its treasures and its glory. Persepolis, once a symbol of Persian power, was left in ruins. Though Persepolis lay in ruins, the legacy of Cyrus the Great and the Achaemenid Empire lived on. Cyrus's vision of a vast and tolerant empire where diverse peoples lived together in relative peace and prosperity remained an inspiration for centuries to come. The Cyrus cylinder, rediscovered in the 19th century, became a powerful symbol of religious tolerance and human rights. Its message resonates even more strongly in the 21st century. Today, the ruins of Persepolis stand as a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of the Achaemenid Empire. They are a reminder of the legacy of Cyrus the Great, a ruler who, in the words of the ancient Greek historian Xenophon, was a master of the art of ruling men. His empire may have crumbled, but his vision of unity, tolerance, and respect for human dignity continues to inspire.